Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today we're going to talk about extremely bullish crypto blockchain project called Lisk. I believe this project is extremely undervalued. This project has great features, and the big reason why I'm doing this video because they just announced 15 million token airdrop and it's super easy to participate. But before that, I need to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do research. And let's check out today's project.
Get money.
As I mentioned, today we are talking about a blockchain project called Lisk. I believe this project has huge potential. And of course, for my viewers, we have a chance to get a big airdrop and also buy these tokens with a big discount. So as usual, first of all, let's learn more about the project. And later in the video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the airdrop and of course, how to maximize your gains with this project. So first of all, let's jump into the main page of Lisk. Again, you can find all the links in the description. And we have this first tagline, built for high growth markets. And actually, if you want to learn more about the project, I think it's smart to start from the documents. Again, you can find the link in the description where they have really great introduction explaining you why this project is different, why it's unique, and of course, why it's bullish. So Lisk provides a cost-efficient, fast, and scalable layer 2 based on optimism that is secured by Ethereum, built on the MIT licensed OP stack and partnered with Gelato as a RAAS provider. Lisk contributes to scaling Ethereum to a level where blockchain infrastructure is ready for mass adoption. And I believe this bull run is kind of different because we're getting big players involved, big companies involved. And I believe this could be the run for the mass adoption for the retail investors, of course, for the retail users, but also for the big companies, for the big investors, big funds, of course, ETFs. And of course, I believe there's bigger opportunity to make more money with these kind of projects. This is the reason why I'm talking about it. So with Optimism Superchain initiative, Lisk is participating in building the future it always believed in, which is to develop an interoperable, seamless base layer that provides a great user experience, shared liquidity, and cheap transactions to ensure that Web3 revolutionizes people's life like Web2 did. As I mentioned, this project has a really big vision and of course, big upside for the investors. Lisk is a part of the Optimism Superchain initiative, and it will be scaled and built by the experienced Lisk team in collaboration with Optimism. Again, really important to see it's in a collaboration with Optimism, which is already a big project. By being part of the superchain, Lisk offers a network of chains that share bridging, decentralized governance, regular updates, and communication layer, and actually more because they're building on the OP chain while being secured by the Ethereum. So basically, this is just a short intro about the project. I don't want to go too deep because you can see all the information on documents. If you want to dig deeper, again, the links in the description. But if we jump in back to the main page, we have some other key information. So for example, the average fee is below 1 cent. So you can see empower your users by unlocking the power of near zero fees. Again, really important because other chains have pretty big fees. And of course, for the end user, fees matter. Also, we talked about the super chain and also it's secured by the Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum is battle tested and people trust it. And we have some of the super chain metrics. For example, you can see they have 15.8 billion assets on chain, 1.2 million users, and over 750 apps. And you can see base, movement, all the big chains right here. I would say all the up and coming, the newer ones right here in the super chain. And we have the roadmap. And what's really important, we also have this moving logos, these moving logos. So you can see companies they're working with. And if you click right here, you can see all the different companies. So again, really big list. And in my opinion, this is really bullish that they already have relationships. They are in the super chain and they're building this really unique and new product. And actually, if we jump into the charts, as I mentioned, I believe the project is extremely undervalued. You can buy this token on Binance, on OKX. All the top tier exchanges have this token. So it's really easy to participate and buy these tokens and invest in the project, not a financial advice. And if we take a look at the market cap, it's only $181 million. And yeah, it might sound a lot if we compare it to the small cap tokens I'm talking about my channel. But for this kind of project with this kind of utility, and if we compare it to other projects in this niche, this is super low. I think this project should be in the billions. And I believe this could be a really great buying opportunity for the long term. Because again, I think this project will skyrocket. And also, as I mentioned, this project is doing 15 million token airdrops. So you can see how much these tokens are worth. So let's jump into Twitter. They have 250,000 followers, links in the description. And you can see right here, we have this post. So the Lisk airdrop has arrived. Up to 15 million LSK tokens are up for grabs. As I mentioned, these tokens are worth more than $1, and I believe in the future, these tokens will be worth way more. So the airdrop is pretty huge. Big reason why I'm doing this video, because I believe this is a really great opportunity. So it's designed for all Lisk users. The airdrop makes it easy and fun to explore the ecosystem and earn rewards. So I think this is going to be a big airdrop for all the participants. I don't do that many airdrop videos, but I think this one is still under the radar. And I think if you're watching, if you participate, you can win big. So now let's talk about how to participate in this airdrop. So actually they have a full blog post. I will leave it in the description again. So it's super easy to participate. So first of all, we have the first steps. You have to be eligible, and it's super easy. Don't be scared. So to participate in the Lisk airdrop, you must meet 2 of the following criteria, and it's super easy. So the first one, complete a CAPTCHA. Everyone can do it. Have at least 30 followers. Also, I think most of you have it. You have 30 friends or people in the industry or like from your work. Have a Discord account created before June 1st. Again, too easy. Have a GitHub account, have a GitHub passport, or verify account with Base. So I think 100% of my viewers are qualified to participate and eligible. Again, great. Next up, we have to access the Lisk airdrop portal. I will do it next, and connect our EVM wallet. So for this example, I will use MetaMask wallet. And after that, you have to add Lisk mainnet to your wallet. So let's jump into the link and I will show you how it all works. So here we are on the portal.lisk.com. Let's connect our wallet. Let's select MetaMask. Let's connect. Next up, we have the button switch to Lisk. Basically, this will allow you to switch to the Lisk mainnet. I actually did it before. So you can see right now on my MetaMask, we have Lisk right here on the networks. For people doing it first time, it could be a bit different because I already tested it before doing this video, and I have other accounts where I actually did the tests. But you can see again in the instructions, it's super easy. Once you connect the wallet, there's going to be a pop-up or a button letting you add Lisk mainnet to your MetaMask. Super easy. Everything's automated. Just say okay, and it's going to be added just like mine. So once we have our wallet connected, let's jump in next. We have to verify our profile on the guild. So let's jump in back. Let's click verify. I like this button. Let's go. I don't want to get demonetized. And as mentioned, for this step, you have to be eligible to participate. And again, we have at least 30 followers. I do have 30 followers on my Twitter. By the way, you can follow my Twitter, the link in the description. I actually post more things on Twitter because it takes less time than actually film this video, edit it, and post it. Also the thumbnail. So yeah, follow my Twitter. It's more than 30 followers. So let's click join guild. Let's sign in. So let's sign in. MetaMask. Connect. Okay, let's verify our address. Oh, we have to do CAPTCHA. Okay, bridges. We have 1 bridge, 2 bridges. I don't know, like it's always so hard. Is this a bridge? Kind of, I'm on the bridge. Let's do a bridge. Verify. Fire hydrants. It's funny to me, do you actually mark these? Because sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, and actually it always works. So verify. Okay, it took 4 or 5 CAPTCHAs, but the thing is, this project is really strict with the bots. And actually they have lots of systems in place because they want to remove all the bot participants. They want only the real people, the real community to win these prizes, these tokens. Again, really great for everyone participating because there is a higher chance of you getting bigger airdrops. So let's confirm again. Looking for key pairs. Okay, I agree. Okay, now let's add our Twitter. Let's do connect Twitter. Okay, connected. Okay, I have to do one more. So let's complete the CAPTCHA. Sorry, guys, I didn't do CAPTCHA. Select images, examples, penguins. Okay, we have penguins. Okay, I think now I have to be in. Yeah, I kind of messed up with the CAPTCHA. I was thinking when I did the CAPTCHA for the first one, the CAPTCHA was already calculated. So you have to do CAPTCHA and connect the accounts and you're in. Super easy again. Everyone can do it. I think everyone has 30 followers. They have a Discord account, GitHub, or anything. If you don't, you can actually like follow and get 30 followers pretty quick. So you can see it's super easy to get started. And also, as I mentioned, there's not going to be any bots, which makes your allocation, your airdrop bigger. Now let's jump in back to the portal. And let's enter referral codes. I will put in the code from the project, but actually can use my code you can see on the screen. This helps my channel. So let's click enter code. And also if you use my code, I will do more airdrop videos for you. So yeah, use my code. And let's go to the airdrop. So right now you can see airdrop is live. There's 75 days, 12 hours, and 1 minute left. I will try to post this video as soon as possible, but you can see we have plenty of time to participate, but of course, don't wait too long. Usually with these airdrops, early participants have advantage because they have more time to actually do the tasks. So let's jump in back to the rules. You can see everything was in the rules, the codes, the referrals, everything's right here, and start earning points. So once your wallet is connected and your profile is verified, explore the list of available tasks on your dashboard, complete these tasks to earn points, rank up and increase your chance of earning rewards in the season 1. And you can see all the information about the tasks, all the info about the airdrop. So let's jump in the portal. Let's click on the airdrop and let's see different tasks. So you can see we can start earning points. So 1 transaction per day, 10 points. 1 transaction per day, 7 days in a row, 50 points. 1 transaction per day, 30 days in a row, 200 points. After that, you can see the balance. So hold any amount of Ethereum, 50 points. Hold any amount of the LSK token, 50 points. So you can see the tasks are really simple. There's plenty of them. And if you're early, if you do all the tasks, if you participate, you have a good chance of winning this airdrop. So guys, just to recap, I believe this project looks really, really cool. It has unique features. It has a big vision. And also it's super, super undervalued because again, I think this project could do 10x in the bull run because of the utilities, the features, the partners. And what's really great, if you don't have a big budget and you still want to participate, they have this amazing airdrop, which is posted on Twitter. Also, they have pretty big following. It's super easy to participate. You can actually copy what I'm doing on the screen. You can find the links in the description. Use my referral link, do the tasks, and of course, get your hands on this huge airdrop. As usual, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram, link in description and top comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe, see you next time.
Get money.